When you search for car windshield sun shades, it all looks the same. Same designs, same claims. But to find the ones that really work, you need to look deeper. Product number 1, AutoVer Foldable Sun Shade. First up is the AutoVer Foldable Car Windshield Sun Shade. Priced at just $8.99, it caught my attention because it's labeled a bestseller with over 2,800 reviews. If you want effective sun protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It keeps your car's interior cooler, which means no more burning your hands on the steering wheel or dealing with a hot seat. Users rave that it installs in seconds and folds up neatly for storage, so you can easily take it on road trips. Plus, with a universal fit of 64x32, it works great for most cars, SUVs, and trucks, making it super versatile. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit too large for compact cars. Here's the thing though, as long as you have a standard sedan or larger, you're good to go. If you have a small hatchback, it might stick out a little, but it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective solution for sun protection. Skip this one if you have a very small vehicle or prefer a custom fit. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the AutoVer's universal size is a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Enmoist Sun Shade Umbrella. Next is the Enmoist Windshield Sun Shade Umbrella, priced at $39.99. I was intrigued because it uses a unique umbrella design that's not something you see every day. If you want a stylish yet functional sunshade, this is worth checking out. It's made from military-grade materials, ensuring it's durable and adaptable. Plus, it folds up like an umbrella, making it easy to store in your car's pocket or under the seat when not in use. This is especially great if you're tired of traditional sunshades that take up too much space. However, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to set up the first few times, especially if you're used to traditional sunshades. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a breeze. Just keep practicing and you'll love the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of style and functionality. Skip it if you prefer something more straightforward and quicker to set up. For its unique design, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for Tesla owners. Product number 3, EcoNur Tesla Sun Shade. The EcoNur Windshield Sun Shade is specifically designed for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, priced at $19.99. This caught my eye because it's tailored for a popular electric vehicle. If you're a Tesla owner looking to keep your interior protected, this is a fantastic option. That's like having SPF 100 for your car, ensuring your dashboard and seats stay cool and undamaged over time. The fit is precise, covering the entire windshield so you won't have to worry about any sunlight sneaking in. It's easy to fold and store, making it convenient for daily use. But some users found it a bit bulky to store compared to other options. Honestly, while it may take up a bit more space, the protection it offers is totally worth it, especially for a car that can heat up quickly. This is perfect for you if you drive a Tesla Model 3 or Y and want tailored protection. Skip this one if you don't have one of those models. For the quality and fit, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something more versatile and affordable, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, EcoNur Truck Sun Shade. Next up is the EcoNur Truck Windshield Sun Shade, priced at $16.99. This one stood out because it's designed specifically for trucks, and I know how challenging it can be to find the right fit. If you're a truck owner, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. This sunshade is made from high-quality 240T polyester, which effectively blocks UV rays and reduces heat buildup. It fits windshields up to 69x35, so it covers large trucks perfectly. You'll keep your interior cool, plus it prevents fading on your dashboard and seats, which is a huge plus for maintaining your truck's value. However, I did see some complaints about the size not fitting certain truck models perfectly. Here's the thing though, EcoNer has a wide range of sizes available, so as long as you check their size chart, you should find a good fit for your truck. This is ideal for you if you drive a truck and want tailored sun protection. Skip it if you have a compact vehicle. For the price and quality, it's a great investment for truck owners. Finally, if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on effectiveness, hang tight for the last product. Product number 5, SINGARO Universal Sunshade. Last but not least is the SINGARO 300T Universal Car Windshield Sunshade, priced at just $7.99. I was drawn to its ultra-affordable price point and universal fit. If you need something that gets the job done without emptying your wallet, this might be the one for you. Its overlapping design fits 99% of car models, making it a flexible option for many drivers. Plus, the foldable design means it's easy to store, which is great for those who don't want bulky accessories cluttering their car. That said, some users noted that the material could feel a bit flimsy compared to pricier options. Honestly, if you're looking for something budget-friendly and effective, this is still a great choice. Just remember, you might not get the same durability as higher-end models. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want decent sun protection. Skip it if you prefer something more durable. For the price, it's a fantastic value. So there you have it, 5 top choices for car windshield sun shades. The Autover is budget-friendly, the Enmoise offers style and convenience, the EcoNer Tesla shade is tailored for electric vehicles, the EcoNer truck shade is ideal for larger vehicles, and the SINGARO is a great budget option. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.